guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, like you may have already seen in the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be sharing my review as well as swatching all of the 6 shades launched by MyHues in their Color Smudge Sticks collection. So this is a new collection and it's been loved by a lot of people, so I thought let me also get my hands on it and try it for you guys. So all of these products are also available on Amazon. So in case by the end of this video, if you like any color and you want to purchase it for yourself, you can easily purchase it from Amazon also. So all the links I've given in the description box. You can just click the links and make your purchases. So yeah guys, now without further ado, let's begin with the video. So MyHues has launched their MyHues Color Smudge Sticks collection and it comes in this kind of a packaging which looks very classy honestly. So first let me show you the outer carton. Okay, so this is the outer carton of the packaging. It's the name and everything is printed right here and all the other necessary details are also printed on the outer carton, but usually we don't really keep this. So let's see the actual product. So this is the actual product. Best part is all of the essential information is also printed on a sticker right at the bottom, including the shade name, the manufacturing date, the expiry date and all of that. So that's a very good thing because usually we don't keep those outer cartons. I personally don't keep it. So this is the packaging. Very beautiful, very luxe looking, very sleek, very beautiful matte packaging with this golden like detailing right here. So it comes with a retractable packaging, which is a very good thing. So you can dispense the product out by just moving this and the product will come out, and then you can again close it back and secure it nicely. So it's a very travel friendly product. Now coming on to the features of this product. So this is basically a color smudge stick which is both for your lips as well as your cheeks. So this single product can be used both on your lips, and then you can just use this and apply as a blush as well, which is a very good thing. Also it is said that it has special ingredients like kakadu oil, jojoba oil and vitamin E that helps to deeply hydrate your skin and your lips basically. So it's not at all drying, which I definitely agree with. Like, you know, this gives such a comfortable finish to your lips. And although like matte lipsticks are definitely in trend, but nowadays, you know, people prefer more of these moisturizing creamy sort of lipsticks as well. And all of the 6 colors suit beautifully for all Indian skin tones, whether you're light, whether you're medium or dusky. Like for dusky skin tones, you may have to use a separate lip liner for 2 or 3 shades, but you know, you can use it as it is on its own as well. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I am a medium skin tone girl with pigmented brown lips. That has to be like, you know, kept in mind. So all of the shades that you see in today's video are based on my lip color. Okay, it may look, you know, slightly lighter from the other videos because I have pigmented brown tone lips. Okay, and if you know anything about color theory, you might know that, you know, lipsticks look different as per your lip color as well, you know, natural lip color as well. So having said that, I think it's a beautiful product launch. I absolutely love this range. It's creamy, it's velvety, it's smooth, it's nourishing, moisturizing, and also, you know, once you apply it on the cheeks, like I've already shown you the demo, it looks absolutely beautiful. So I think it's a thumbs up from my side. And now coming on to the best part, which are the swatches. So let's begin with the swatches. swatches. Do let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite shade out of all the 6 shades that you saw in today's video. If I have to tell my personal favorite, then it has to be this particular shade called Kulfi, which I'm also currently wearing. It's a beautiful shade. It's a universally flattering shade which will suit like the fairest of skin tones to the duskiest beauty. It's going to suit every Indian skin tone, trust me. It's a very beautiful shade. If you just want to buy one shade to try it out, I think this is a perfectly safe blind buy, because this particular shade is definitely going to suit all Indian skin tones, and plus the formulation is so amazing. So that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.